good evening. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good today. Yes, sir. All right. Good morning. What up, AB? What up, Shiro? Good morning, Shad. What up, Leo? Good morning, TK. Cam check 1 2. Cam check 1 2. Let's see, we good? Yeah, I think we're good on the cam. Morning, Crypto Madden. What up, Joe? Morning, Joe Stewart's in the building. It's gonna be the best day ever. Yes, sir. What up, Z Gamers in the house? What up, Mr. Pips? Morning, Matthew. What up, Ghost of Me? Morning, everybody. Good morning, Gotta Trade. What up, Pips Pirate? Pips Pirate. Hey, Dennis. Good morning, Dennis. Good morning. Classic Traders in the house. Cat Studios. What up, Rafi? Morning, Micah. Let me bring this down. All right. What is going down? What's up, Leo? Happy Monday, everyone. Shout out to Mac. Yeah. What up, Captain? What up, AB Mike? Who else we got here? What up, Big Folk Red? What up, Unique? Who else? Who else we got? Shad's in the building. I think we said Shad. What up, Forex Frank? What up, Aaron? Morning Star. Good morning. Good to see you as well. What up, Rob? Hey, if we could spam some W's in the chat. If you guys are ready to be here, if you're ready for a new week, if you're ready to roll this week and get off to a great start, just spam some W's in the chat. I'm going to get the Zoom link sent up, and we're going to get everything going here. Zoom. There go the W's. Sheesh. All right. So unable. Yes, sir. W's coming in here today. W's coming in. W's going out. W's all in between. That goes for the day and the week here. Let me share my screen. Boom. All right. Let's bring up the Discord here. Hey, guys, if you're not in our free Discord, this is my early morning friendly reminder to join our free Discord. We got almost 5,000 people in the Discord now. Crazy. Crazy. What up, Disturbed is in the building. What up, Disturbed? Oh, Sam Capital's here. All right, now we can get the party started. Yeah, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. Join the free Discord here. Come on in. Be a part of the familia. We'll talk about the Discord later, but there should be a link in the chat. If not, !Discord. And that will get you the link there. All right. So, how was everyone's weekend? Everybody have a good weekend? Let's check the charts here. Okay, cool. How was everybody's weekend? It was a W weekend. Fact, we never talk about it later. Let me promote my Discord. All right, we'll talk about it now since we don't have a closure, gang. And I want to hear how your weekend went. So, yeah, this is our free Discord. Again, we're creeping on like 5,000 people in this Discord. It is super fun place to be. Good community, great community actually, where you can come in here and you can learn a whole lot, man. I mean, when it comes to trading, we basically cover everything here. You know, we also have a lot of fun, right? So we got the food room and the art and the book club. If you guys aren't reading any books, highly recommend you start reading. If you guys notice, I got a bookshelf here behind me, and every successful person you meet, they will have a mega bookshelf in their house somewhere. You got to go find it. Expensive weekend. Yeah. Life is boring when you can't trade. Yeah, I forget who it was. I was looking in the Discord. Somebody said their weekend is just waiting for the live streams. But yeah, if you're not in the Discord, we got the book club here. We got anywhere you guys want to share some art. Oh, added this to my setup. Nice. That's clean. See what you guys are grubbing on here. We got people grubbing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's our time to eat cook right here. Once we have our big gatherings, we got a chef here. We got a chef. Oh, yeah. We got words of wisdom here, too. Are back today. Shout out to Austin. Hope you're feeling better. Got the words of wisdom. But if you guys are trading, you got an Asian session room, London session room where, although we aren't streaming those times yet or those sessions, you can come in here and you can chat it up and talk with some of the other members that are in the Discord trading at that time. And it gives you a nice community to kind of bounce ideas off of. And then obviously, you know, we got the New York session, right? So the New York session, which we live stream. So, you know, another great room for after the live stream. A lot of action here, but yeah, man. So come on in, join our free Discord. We also got just a general chat room here where traders can talk and share ideas and, you know, help each other out. So also big, right? Charts for stream. So if you guys do have any charts or any trades that you've taken that you would like some advice on or like us to take a look at or break down, you can send them in the charts for stream room here, and we'll go over those trades at some point during the session. And if you guys can, so this is just a picture. So what I see here is just a picture of a chart with like 4 lines on it, right? So if you're gonna post something and you want us to break it down, give us some context, right? You don't have to go this deep, but give us some labels here. 1, 2, you know, daily bias was this. I was waiting for here. This happened. The setup was this. This was my TP, right? Just something that we can kind of go off of, right? But while we're on the topic of the trade of the day, you guys can come in here and read. These are all the trades that we take on stream. So every trade that we take on stream is covered and recapped by Scott, and you'll see Scott in the chat. And yeah, these are really good to go back and look at. Plus, you could also learn how to kind of mark up your own charts, right? And how to, I don't know if you guys take trades and then mark them up afterwards, but learning from some of these charts here that Scott has done, you can you know, get some incredible ideas. So that's a little bit about our Discord. We almost 4,500 people here. So, and then if you guys are a part of the Signals program and the Signals room, you obviously have all that good stuff, you know, down there as well. So Signals room will open up maybe in 2 weeks. We're gonna open the Signals room back up. We're probably gonna run the 2-month promo again as well. So if you guys are looking to, you know, towards that, then we'll have that open in like 2 weeks. Morning Future FX. Yeah, I had a lot of people message me about the Signals. So yeah, that's just keep an ear out for it. All right, we'll talk about it on stream. What up, Cash Z? But all right, cool. Let's get to a breakdown. Let's talk about the charts a bit, right? That's why we came here this morning. That's what we're here for. How many likes do we got on the stream yet? Do we have a decent amount of likes? Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here this morning or this afternoon or evening. And if you're not subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But I would really appreciate if you guys like the stream. That would be awesome. That's going to help us out in the algorithm and get our channel out to more and more traders. And there's a lonely trader out there for you to help today. One lonely trader can be helped with the blessing of this live stream with your like today. Will you like the stream to help one lonely trader? Yeah, give the stream a like, guys. Let's take a look at what we got going on here in the news on the fundamental side of things here. Let's take a look. So we got today's Monday. There isn't much happening. There are some red folders on the Aussie dollar. that's about it. Let's take a look at further into the week a little bit here as well and see what we got going on, right? So we have Tuesday, we have, let's see, some news on the pound. Nothing really for the US dollar here. A lot of euro news happening. It looks like there's a bank holiday in Europe. French bank holiday, actually. Italian bank holiday. Assumption Day. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, so there's some holidays in the euro, but doesn't affect us at all because we don't trade the euro. So Tuesday's pretty clean. There's some CAD news at 8:30. That CAD has CPI at 8:30, so that may bring some volume into gold for us. And then you also have core retail sales here at 8:30. So yeah, so we'll have some volume, some news coming in on Tuesday. Wednesday, we also have these FOMC meeting minutes here. So we'll look out for that on Wednesday, but that's not until 2 p.m. So we should be good. We got crude inventory at 10:30. Other than that, just a few yellow folders that shouldn't really stand in the way. Thursday, as always, we have unemployment claims. And then Friday seems pretty chill. So yeah, so we got a decent week ahead of us. Nothing too crazy, right? Nothing too crazy in the any red folders or nothing like that. So should be a solid week, gang. Should be a good week, good price action, good volume, and I look forward to taking advantage of opportunities here this week. But if we're looking at today and looking to take advantage of opportunities today, let's take a look at this top-down analysis and see what it is that we got going on here for gold, right? So one thing that we've been discussing here on gold, and we won't spend too much time on it, but you guys know all about the monthly time frame if you've been here for, quite some time, right? So taking a look at this monthly time frame, let's just talk about current price action today, because obviously, gang, we're in a rejection zone, right? On gold, this is all-time highs here, rejections, right? We've got some consolidation, though, going on, and I'd rather spend some time talking about that here today as we open up the top-down analysis. So what we see here is gold now pushing back down on the monthly time frame, right? So let's tell the quick story about what's really happening here. Well, price created a resistance after this rejection. We pushed down, we closed below this range here, right? We closed below this level right here. So we're expecting price now to be able to drive down to the next support, right? If price is breaking back into a range after creating resistance with clean traffic to the left, then we're expecting price to continue down. So this candle closed. Now, the next candle closed bullish, right? Back above the range, breaking the highs here. So that throws traders off for a loop. But you have to understand, these are like traps in the market. They're like booby traps. They're meant to trap traders who automatically want to start selling, right? We see this happen on the monthly time frame. We also see this happen on the 30-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, right? We see this happen all the time. Right now, it just happens to be happening on the monthly time frame. So that's what we see here. Now, we discussed this about maybe last week, where this monthly candle opened up and did not even create a top wick, right? Didn't even create a top wick on the candle. So what's one thing we know about candles with no top wicks or bottom wicks? Well, they should come up and make it, right? But this one here is different. This one seems different. And it just seems to me like there's zero buying pressure right in this candle. That's why price was not able to make a wick, right? Because now we're coming down here and we may break these lows here today, right? If we start breaking these lows here, what you're going to see is you're going to see this range get filled. And that's what we were planning on happening the entire time, right? So what we can see here by the end of the month is something like this, right? Bearish candle closing back below that range there, maybe no top wick, maybe just a bottom wick, and then the next candle's now continuing down to retest that support, right? So again, we are in all-time highs, we are in rejection areas. Every single time we've came here, we've created that resistance, price drove down. created that resistance, price drove down. If we're creating that resistance here, very, very high chance that we will see price start to push down. So that's one option. The other option is we respect the low here and continue up, right? Those are the only two options that price has, and that we can go off of. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here, because the weekly now gets interesting, right? So this tells me that we can continue down pretty heavily on the monthly time frame by the way this weekly candle closed. And when I say that, I mean this weekly candle closed below. If you guys notice, we closed below this level here, right? Below 1920. And if we're closing below 1920, then the next option here is about 1890, right? And then that's also that wick fill right here. So we can totally see price coming on down. Now, again, we do need some sort of a top wick here, right? This candle just opened up a couple hours ago. It still has 4 days and 10 hours left on it. So it could take some time to potentially create this top wick here. You know, I do not believe that this is that this will be the top wick, right? One good thing here is we've broken the lows. So we're beginning to show signs now that this candle, after it does make that top wick, will now start to drive down. So that's really good news on the weekly time frame. Now, again, this is a weekly candle here. So in order for this thing to make a top wick, that may take a day or two, right? Because again, weekly candle. So if this candle is going to make a top wick, this top wick right here may take 2 days. It may take 1 day. It may take 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, right? We don't know. All we know is that after it does make that top wick, you should come down to fill that wick to the left-hand side, and also, you know, tap into this level here at, you know, 1890, somewhere in this range, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at here, right? After getting this top wick to be formed, having price re-break the lows, continue driving down to fill that range there. So if we're gonna see how we can take positions though, and how we can anticipate that, well, again, the daily really needs to probably push up here today. And I believe we closed bullish. Yeah, we closed bullish on Friday, right? So we closed bullish right at support on Friday. So that way we are pretty bullish here today. Although we did break the lows, I believe that's a monthly thing. I believe that's maybe us grabbing a pack right now to do a pack runner and push on up, fill this wick. And I could see the daily candles coming up to, like, you know, 1925, somewhere in this range here, 1922. So we can create that top wick, right? And what that top wick on the weekly is going to look like is very simple. It's just going to look like a couple bullish candles here, right? And then getting caught up, creating resistance, and price pushing back down. And then this now establishes your weekly top wick right here, right? Now you have your weekly top wick after a day or two of bullish candles, and now we can continue down on the weekly time frame, and potentially the daily will look something like this, right? The daily will look something like this, where you have pretty much you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? And that would make a lot of sense on the weekly time frame here to come down and fill this wick. So that's what we're kind of looking at here today, based off of what, and I just recently made a video on this, and we'll release that video, but how to tell the time, or how to tell the story from time frame to time frame. And you know, that's what we're getting here. So if we are looking for buys today and we are looking for sells today, how are we going to find these ranges and these entries, right? Well, number one, we have a very strong support right here. Let's take a look left and see if there's anything below that, right? So maybe we can move this down just a little bit and keep our support right there. So that's going to be our support. Then we also have a resistance on the 4 hour, which is right here. Now let's take a look and identify what these wicks represent on the 1 hour time frame, right? Because on the 1 hour time frame, now we have a different story here. So what we do is we find this resistance here, and now we have a new resistance, right? And above that resistance is clean traffic to the left, and that's where I want to take my positions on a daily basis, right? I want to take positions in a nice clean range. There's a nice clean candle right here that I would love to look to, you know, try and cover this range here today with gold. Right now, if we're gonna look for sells today, I think what we can do is we can look for a fake out below this range here. So fake out for buys to come back up, or we can take our sells below the level below 1909 here on the 1 hour time frame. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30 minutes. Yeah, 1909. 1909 is going to be my sells here today. So depending on whether or not we take that on the 1 hour, the 30 minute, but I'll look for sells below 1909, 500. So sells below. Boom. And then what I want to look for here is at 1912 is a potential fake out. What I mean by that is, and you see how it says potential fake out buys above. So what I would like to look for in this situation is a push down, right? Push down. Price close with maybe no bottom wick, or, you know, something like that, that's going to show us signs, and then price to close back in the range. And if we can close back in the range, and we can take our buys coming up to fill that range, and then we could take more buys coming up to continue to fill the next range, right? So those would be the buys that I'm looking to take here today, above 1912 if we get that fake out, and above 1914 you know, if we get that closure above. And then sells are pretty clean below this level here. We would really need a lot to get down there. So yeah, that's the day here for me today. Pretty simple. Pretty simple on this lovely Monday. Got pretty decent price action here. So now it just becomes a waiting game. Yeah, just a waiting game now. Buys above. Yeah, that's it. And then anytime you see potential fake out, so what we would also be doing is looking for a range 2 below there, right? So maybe a range 2 to continue down, or we just wait for sells below 1909 and then take them moving down from there. Cool. So that's it. That's the day. Very, very clean day on our hands here, and we should be good to go. Now we just, again, we play the waiting game, and we let price do what it needs to do and come to us. And when it does come to us, we'll be ready to take action. Joe Stewart. Yeah, resistance, if we're going to take off 30 minute, then resistance is going to have to be, you know, somewhere up in this range as well. So, yeah, probably above 1915. Yeah, we could also look for potential fake outs below 1913 as well. Potential fake outs below right here. Yeah. Cool. Let's see here. That guy TK's here. Learning from trading from your channel. I'm planning to buy a funded challenge. Kindly advise me as a beginner. Can I take 50,000 USD account or any other amount? Yeah, you could do anything you want. Yep. Yeah, whichever one you would like. Whichever option is best for you. Why need range 2 sells? Because gold already broke the previous lows. Yeah, that's the thing. See, it's the trickery there. I believe we broke those lows real quick, but now we're going to come back up to create that top wick. I mean, that's just my theory. I may be 100% wrong, right? But that's what I'm thinking. That's what I've seen in the past, is that we've broken the lows and then we start coming up to create that steeper top wick, because the daily's pretty bullish here. We're at that support level. So a lot of times that becomes like your pack runner on the daily time frame there. So we'll see. We're still open for sells, and our sells are below the break of that low. So I wouldn't want to take sells anywhere within the candle, to be honest, unless we break that low, and our level of sells are below the lows. So I think that's going to be our best bet. But we may be a little bit more open to sells today, being that we did break the lows. So we'll see. We'll have to see how price action kind of turns out over the next, you know, couple hours or so. Yeah, we could look at we could look for fake outs right here too. See the fake out that happened here? Price pushed up. A lot of rejection here, a lot of support here. So yeah, I think potential fake outs are pretty clean below here. So we'll keep an eye on that level. Let's take a look at US 30 here as well and see what we got going on. Let's take a look at the monthly, see where we're at. So monthly, again, monthly's pretty bullish here. We did close very, very strong bullish. We haven't broke the highs just yet, but we have created somewhat of a bottom wick here, right? If we look at this level here, that's kind of the level I'm looking at that we did close above. Therefore, we do have a clean range now coming up on the monthly time frame. So you may see like a monthly celery play. There's still 17 days left on the month, so anything can happen. I mean, this can fly up and fill the range, or you may just see price maybe close above or below it, and that'll also give us a direction and a good read on where price wants to go. So let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly looks like we did create a support, which was very, very nice. So very bullish here on the weekly time frame. We've made a bottom wick. We look like we're trying to come up and fill the wick here. So pretty clean price action there. Daily as well. So daily has a wick to fill here, right? So if we can target maybe this level up here at 580 here today, that wouldn't be a bad target. Let's see, it's about 245 points from where price is currently. So let's take a look. We have the 4-hour time frame here, right? So if we're bullish, we have a 4-hour time frame. We have a couple levels of resistance here that we have to pay attention to, but we did close above the most recent level here. So we don't have the greatest bottom wick. If we can come down and create a steeper bottom wick and then break the highs, I think this will be setting up for a really nice position. We're looking left, right? We have your most recent resistance here as well. So we did close above there on the 1-hour time frame. 30-minute did close back below. So like I said, this may want to come down and make a steeper bottom wick for the 4-hour candle before pushing back up. So let's keep an eye on it. We can't have any positions just yet, right? Because the 1 hour is closing above, but the 30-minute as of right now closed back below. So if we get some sort of a fake out, right, and price closes back in the range and even like above this resistance here would be best, then we could look to take positions coming on up. And we got some pretty clean traffic, right? The only thing standing in our way is this minor level of resistance here, and that's where we would go break even. So, you know, we got a lot of range to cover here, you know, in terms of US 30 today if we're going to take buys. So we'll look to see if we can take advantage of this as the session continues on. But very clean day, very clean Monday for both pairs here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll take it as it comes. And then we could take our sells. Yeah, probably take sells below. Four-hour low is where? Let's take a look. Yeah, that's what I was originally thinking here. So we'll take sells. We'll look to take sells below the 4-hour lows here. If anything, we'll wait for like a fake out below this support because a lot of people will probably attempt sells below there. And then if we get the fake out, we could take buys coming up, or we could just take our sells on a closure below these 4-hour lows here. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at here today. So potential fake out for buys, and then buys above here, and sells below here. Simple. That's it. So that's the easy part here, ladies and gents. We have marked up our charts. We have taken a look at the ranges. We understand where the clean traffic is, the clean ranges are. That's what we want to trade in, and that's going to be very simple. On US 30, that could be in this range here, but it is definitely above that range, right? Above 356. But if we do get the fake out, then we'll have nice clean candles to come up and retest that resistance. And then again, just like gold, where if we get a position down here, right, we get this position down here, so price comes down, and let's say we're looking for a fake out, and price does give us that fake out, closes back in the range. Well, guess what? Now we could take our buys here, right? We get into buys here to retest these highs, and if we do get that closure above, then we go ahead and we take more buys coming up. So very, very similar to gold here today, and that's what we'll wait for. All right. Sound good? Yeah, we should start trading this pair a bit more often now. So pretty much, yeah, same exact thing on gold and US 30 here today. So it makes it easy for us. Makes it nice and easy. Let's put this support here. All right. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Hit the like button. Yeah, if you guys haven't liked the stream, go ahead and hit the like button. A whole crew's in here. What are your thoughts on trading gold on futures? I have some friends who have done it. I've never traded gold on futures, so I couldn't even give you an opinion. Or thoughts. I couldn't even give you thoughts. First time here, awesome channel. Hey, welcome, Rat Trap. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're enjoying the channel here today. And we look forward to having you a part of our community, man. Hey Nick, I noticed that you are focused on potential fake outs more often now than lately. Can you explain why? Yeah, because what we were doing is we would have like range 2 sells below here, and we wouldn't really be focused on the fake out. So we'd be more, it seemed like we got caught up in this, getting this move. And then what happened was we forgot to get the move on the fake out, right? Coming up, because that's kind of like what the move that you want, because that's going to go in the daily direction. So, you know, we had the range 2 sells below here, which was awesome, right? But and then what we would do is we would kind of wait, right? We would wait for price to come down, you know, do its thing, and then come back up and, you know, do its thing, and whoop, wrong color, but create that resistance. And then what would we do? We would start to take our sells on the way down, and we were kind of focusing on that a lot, and sometimes missing the fake out, which is really what you're looking for here, right? You actually don't want the range 2 move, right? The move that you really want is the fake out, because that fake out's going to be moving with the higher time frames, right? So this is what, you know, we started to kind of miss here and there while we were waiting for that range 2 to form. We would miss this move, and this is really what we want to take advantage of, right? So we want to focus more on getting into these opportunities, because this is going to move with the higher time frame, right? So that's why now I just label it potential fake out, and then clean sells below a certain level. We're still running the range 2, right? That still has to happen if we're going to take sells anywhere, you know, from 1913 to 1912, but we're mainly looking for this move, because this is going to be the power move on most days. It's going to be the fake out and then have price drive back up. So that's the move I want to make sure I'm focused on, you know, capitalizing on. And having potential fake out right there just kind of gives it, just kind of keeps it in front of my face a little bit more. So that's all. We took a trade today? Did we? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we did. Maybe we didn't. Great analysis. Thanks, Nick. Makes me happy to see analysis resemble. Oh, nice. Good job, Unique. Amazing. Good work. Give a stream a like and help that one lonely trader. Yeah, there you go. The one lonely trader. That trader's starving right now. But with one like from you, they can come and eat pips on a daily basis. Oh, I understand you use 10 lots on gold. What's going to be the lot size on US 30? I don't even know. Probably just going to use risk percentage on US 30, to be honest, until I figure out, until I get more familiar with trading it and figure out like exactly, exactly how the pips work on my broker here. So yeah, we'll see. Probably just going to use percentage based though for now. Oh yeah, let's change that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, instead of today's trades, I'm gonna put this week's trades or something like that, because otherwise we gotta erase it every day. I'm starving. Appreciate the answer. So basically, fake out zone is just a zone where you would usually wait for a closure below, but the next candle would fake out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, or we would wait for like a range 2, right? We would wait. So normally, like what it would say here would be range 2 sells below. So we're still looking for range 2 sells below, but I also want to make sure we're paying attention and really looking for the fake out, because the fake out is what we really want on today, right? We'd rather take buys here today on gold because we're bullish on the day. We're expecting a bullish top wick on the weekly candle, right? So that's why we're bullish today. So I'd rather take buys today, moving with that higher time frame volume, than to take sells. But I will take sells, but we just need that range 2. Yeah, any range 2 and in this whole range here is totally fine. If we don't get a range 2 and it just drives, well, that's gonna break all the lows on the daily, and if we get a closure below there, then we got to take sells, right? We can't even wait for a range 2 at that point. That's gonna be below our resistance with clean traffic to the left, or our support with clean traffic to the left. So yeah, well, I would just take my sells coming down. But it seems like price wants to continue up here today. I really love this range right here. This is the range that I really would love to catch a move in today, right here. From 1915 to 1919. That's going to be your sweetest range. This range isn't bad, but if you notice in this range, there's just a lot of rejections, right? A lot of rejection here in this range. Above here is super clean candles to the left. Yeah. Yeah, you see how you got like a pack runner there on the 15, where price created support, right? No bottom wick. Then price created support, and then we broke the low and then started continuing up. So this happens quite often. We're gonna wait for the 30-minute here, and actually the 30, the 15, the 1 hour, all that stuff. We're gonna wait for everything here for the NY Open, and then we'll see where we're at come NY Open, and then maybe we can get a trade off here on this lovely Monday between 1915 and 1920 there. 1K likes today. Ooh, yeah, we need that. We need that. Listen to Nightbot. Please leave a like. I often get clapped on the 15 time frame. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, 15. So 5 minute, 15 minute, those are going to be weaker confirmations and from my experience. And the 30 minute and the 1 hour are going to be more so, you know, your higher confirmations. 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Would you consider sells below 12.1 to fill the wick? 12.100? No, I would look for a potential fake out there. Yeah. Yeah, sells are going to be the best after breaking these daily lows here. Yeah, look at our daily candle. That's the daily low. So if we break that low, then there's a high chance we'll continue down. Other than that, you may fluctuate bearish, bullish on this daily candle, and you don't want to be caught up in that range. Give the stream a like. Like or get rock. GJ is off the board, man. We're looking at 3 new pairs though. So we got NAS 100 here that is exciting me. I've been watching this for a couple, maybe 2 months, about 2 months now. Watching this pair a little bit, and then also oil as well. So oil, we've had an eye on oil for a little bit, that we're keeping an eye on that pair. And then the other pair that we're looking at is AUD-USD, which is a forex pair, which a lot of the gold is it comes from Australia, right? So it plays a nice, it has nice plays there in the New York session, but we'll see what happens. So the one thing I like about the forex pair is that you can use like previous candle stops, and they're like gold current candle stops in terms of pips. So we'll see what happens. I think I'm more into more volatile pairs at this point in my career. So it's probably going to be like NAS 100 or oil, but I am continuing to look a little bit at the Aussie dollar here too. Yo, man, I'm gonna start my trading journey. You have any tips? Yeah, go to my IG, and I posted something really good yesterday. I gave you guys 5 tips, man, to really just being the best traders you can be. And this goes for whether you are already trading and have experience, or if you're a new trader. All right, let me pull it up here. Let me pull it up. Hold on 1 sec. If you guys aren't following me on IG, you guys can follow me here on Instagram. Come on in. This is my IG right here. This is the only IG I will ever talk about trading on. No other Instagram. Any other Instagram that doesn't line up with this, if they're messaging you, they're not me. All right, so just keep that in mind. There's a lot of fake pages. Let me go to it right here. So let me pause this. Let's talk about this, right? So, and I post a lot of good stuff here on my story. Some things that I feel will help traders out and help entrepreneurs out. And it's very simple, right? Number 1 step. These are 5 steps. The first one is detach from the money. The more you want money, the more it will run from you, right? Anytime you come into the markets with a needy, greedy mindset, you will repel the money. I promise you that. I've been there. I've been in that stage, and it's not a fun stage because you just want the money, but it keeps running from you, right? And what does that mean? A lot of times you're gonna force trades, you're gonna have FOMO, you're gonna revenge trade, right? You're gonna do all these things that traders do when they slip up while thinking about money. And we talk about it a lot here. I can care less how much money's made, right? I'm not doing this at this point for the money. I am doing this to become the best trader that I could possibly be, shake the internet up and rock this industry, right? And show people true transparency of what it is to actually be a trader. And I am fully detached from any money whatsoever, right? I already know my goals. I know what needs to be done financially. I'm not saying I just don't have a financial goal, right? I have a financial goal, right? I know what I want to accomplish, but when I come to the desk every day and we turn this stream on, that's it. No longer am I thinking about the money. What I'm thinking about is how can I be the best trader today, execute on my edge, be disciplined, and make sure I'm doing the right things, right? Just like Tom Brady or Derek Jeter, every time they stepped on the field, they weren't necessarily thinking about the money in their contract. They were thinking about how can they be the best at what they do, right? Messi, right? In soccer or football, some of you guys call it, where what is he thinking about? He's making a lot of money. But you want to know why he's making all that money? Because he's detached from it. He's thinking about how good can I be in this craft? How good can I be at this sport, in this skill set? Can I be the best, right? So that's what you want to do. You want to come to the markets day in and day out with that type of mindset, not a mindset of trading to make money and blah, 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 right? Buy your little AP or whatever it is that you guys are so infatuated with, right? So that's number one. Number two, see trading as a routine, a process, a part of your life. It's not a method of getting something you want. Trading is that's not what it is, right? It's a lifestyle. It's a job, right? It's a real profession. And that's why we preach very highly here. If you're going to come to the charts, you better be a professional. Otherwise, the markets will swallow you up, man. The markets will chop you down, swallow you up if you're not a professional here. And if you're not a professional, you're a gambler. There's a very, very, very fine line between being a professional and gambling in this game here. So know that line, right? Know that line. And, understand that this is just what we do, right? We show up to the markets day in and day out. We be the best that we could be, right? We detach from money. We get it. We come in with the mindset of how good can we be at this skill? How good can we be at this profession? It's a routine. If we win, great. If we lose, great. It is what it is, right? As long as we stay professional, stick to our playbook, we have done we have completed our process, right? During this time frame, which for me is 6:45 to 10:30, right? So once that's done, that's it, man. I'm off of this, right? I'm peaking here and there, but now I'm on to other things in life because this was just a part of my life, not my whole life, right? Some of you guys are on the charts from the stream in right now that we do all the way until London session later, right? So, understand that this is just a part of your life, right? It's a part of the process of your day. You come in, you do what you need to do, and you get going, right? So number 3, remove yourself from emotions. Learn to stay mindful, but allow yourself to be present and do not attach from them, right? Do not attach to them, right? So we need emotion, but in here we got to be as robotic as we can. Now we're only human. We cannot be fully robotic. So we need to only allow emotions that are going to help us, right? Emotions like, hey, I don't want to be driving to the gym later on thinking about I just took the stupidest trade of my life, right? So let me not enter here. Let me be disciplined. Those are good emotions. But the other emotions where if you lose a trade, or let's say you close a trade early, or you hold it too long, any of those emotions, they got to be gone, because there shouldn't be any emotions while you're in a trade. At that point, that trade should already be fully planned out. Right? You should already have everything in that trade planned out. So that's where I'm talking about. Remove the emotion while you're in a trade, right? But have that discipline, right? Before you're in it or after you're in it. Develop a very strict and thorough trading system, right? Stick to it religiously. You must be disciplined, patient, and systematic. Anybody who's been here knows that that's what we preach here, right? That's our story, right? That's our message. That's our message, is to be disciplined to a playbook. So you got to have that in mind, man. Like, it's either your trade or not. You shouldn't be guessing. You shouldn't be thinking about it. It's either yours or it ain't. And when you get really, really familiar with a playbook, that's where this stuff starts to become very obvious, right? Very, very obvious on what trade is yours and what trade isn't yours. And then the final step, man, if you continue doing that, that's when the money starts flowing in. So hope you guys took the little notes on that. But going back to the question of I'm a new trader, what should I do? This is what I recommend that you do, my friend. Right here. Right there. Oh, here you go. Look. The very next post. Your goal as a trader should be to continuously simplify your process until it is undeniably present or not. This is what I'm talking about here, gang. You shouldn't have to think any more than necessary. Thinking is what creates human error. All right? You thinking in your trade is what's messing up your trading. You got to think beforehand. You got to have everything planned out before the trade begins, and then you just have to let that thing rock, man. You just got to let it go. Just let it rock. All right. Yep, not much happening in the zone. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys aren't following me on IG, you guys can come over here and follow my page. All of our trades usually get posted up on this page as well. So you guys are more than welcome to come in and follow the IG page. You guys are, what I would recommend, going back to some of these, you guys will see when Time to Eat first started too. This isn't something new, right? We've had this idea for about 2.5, 3 years now. And then, yeah, go into this section here, charts, and you guys will see like my transformation as a trader and the way I used to trade, the way I trade now, and a little bit of the journey. What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. Started my funding challenge today. Nice. Good luck. Good luck. The Zen trader? Ooh. Oh, nice. I trade AUD USD while I watch your stream. And yes, the trades are very similar to gold. Yeah, that's what I've been noticing. God bless you too, Mo. Shout out to Mo. Why do I trade New York session? Because I live in the East Coast and just works well with my schedule. Also, works well with the pairs that I trade. Discipline like Khabib? Ooh, Khabib. Let's go. No way that stake on your IG was 3 pips. Looked like 5. Yeah, we got the spot, you know. Gotta get it to the low key spot. Hey Nick, can you critique my post on charts for stream? Yeah, we'll take a look at it here. What made you to start trading forex instead of stocks? I just learned about forex earlier. Yeah, one thing I liked about forex too was I only really needed to pay attention to one currency, right? Where stocks, I have to kind of learn a little bit about each stock, about, you know, the company, about the future of it, and, you know, all that good stuff. So I think a little bit more goes into trading stocks, where you have to kind of learn about each individual company, where trading is more so you just kind of keep an eye on price action and, you know, the economics of that pair. And yeah, it's kind of more straightforward for me, at least. Getting confident day by day, watching the streams. Awesome, dude. Good job, AB Mike. Been seeing you around a lot lately, man. That's good. Keep it up. Keep showing up day in and day out. You'll get more and more confident by each day. right? Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, months turn into quarters, quarters turn into years, right? Years turn into decades, decades are your future, bro. So it all starts with getting confident day by day here. That stake was a pipette on the 400K. Yeah, you're right. You are right about that, Joe.
Good morning.
What up, Johnny boy?
It's good. Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Happy Monday.
How you feeling, bro?
New fresh week. Let's get it. Dude, I'm feeling amazing, bro. I'm feeling excited.
You pumped
Excited
up?
for a fresh week. Pumped up.
Awesome. Johnny boy's in the house.
Good.
Let's get Johnny boy up here.
What's up? New week, right? New week to be professionals. Let's go. Let's focus on following our plan. Let's focus on being patient, disciplined, right?
Yes, sir. That's what we do, baby. That's
Right,
what
chat?
we
So
do.
winning method. So winning method plus the mental skills, right? That's going to equal your long-term success, right? Let's keep that in mind. Let's go into this week thinking about our long-term goal, right?
Facts.
Let's get it. Right, Chad, just because it's a new week doesn't mean anything changes. Right? The only goal I have today and for the week, right? The only goal I'll ever have in trading is to follow my plan. You got to come with that mentality every day, right? Day in, day out, rinse and repeat. Yeah, like it up, chat.
Like it up. So we do have the NY open here. Candle did close bearish here on the 1 hour time frame, so we'll see what happens as we cruise into 30-minute candle did close bullish, but so that's pretty nice. We'll see how 8:15 starts looking for us, and then we'll kind of base positions off of that. Let's take a look at US 30, closed bearish as well. So yeah, we're still kind of in this range on both pairs, so let's just hang tight and wait for a little bit of a breakout there. 30-minute doesn't look bad here. But I don't want to take any positions right now because 1 hour closed bearish. We could come up, create a top wick, and then break the lows here. And what that'll look like is just a push up on the 30-minute and then a break of the lows. So let's stay away from this range. Let's see how the 15-minute candles close, and then we'll go from there.
Hey, landed. Nice, bro. Doing that 1 meal a day.
Hey.
I'm sure you're feeling that clarity in your mind. That's what's up.
You're not that guy. I used to think how much something cost based off the amount of hours I had to. Now I base it off of pips.
Right.
Yeah,
literally.
that's what we do. We literally just base everything off of pips now.
Seriously.
Like me and my wife are looking into getting a new place in March, and we're thinking like, how many pips? How many pips should we spend on a monthly basis? One pip is 1K for you? No. One pip for me right now is $100. Yeah, when I have my $1 million account, which I told you guys I was gonna do right early, as we like months and months ago. So now you guys see me working towards that. So yeah.
It's already done.
It's already done. I wouldn't have started it if it wasn't already done.
Exactly. Boom. Think about it.
Mind blown.
Mind blown.
Yeah, but when I get my $1 million account, then yes, 1 pip will be $1,000. Be running 100 lots on that. What's the difference between East Coast and West Coast? One's on the east side, one's on the west side. Yeah, if we get a fake out or something here at 8:15, we'll ride this thing up. $1 million account is a couple steps down on my list, but that's where it's at. Yeah, 1% a month. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I'm talking. Yeah, 1% a month is nice, but bro, you can make 10% a month, 20% a month. Mind blown.
And that's like the beautiful thing about this, right? About what we do. Like our strategy will never change. Like all like our profits and results will naturally grow just by doing the same thing every day. Like we're gonna go from $5,000 months to $50,000 months, right? Just by doing the same thing and not worrying about the money, right? We're gonna do that by not worrying about the money and just by focusing on our job as traders, right? And then naturally our profits and our results are gonna grow like that, right?
Yep. There's our 4-hour bottom wick that we were expecting here. So now we got a steeper bottom wick. Let's see what's gonna happen now at the 4-hour. Yeah, don't jump the gun here, chat. Don't jump the gun. Will you ever save up 150,000 and start your own account? Nah. Nope. Well, I don't want to say never, but definitely don't have any of that in mind right now. While they're handing money out, I'm taking it. While they're handing out millions for me to trade with, I'm taking all of it, bro. I'm not using none of my money. Nada. Yeah, because then what happens, then I open up my risk to potentially losing everything, right? What happens if I'm not saying that would happen, but just think about it. You start your own, let's say it's 200,000 in an account, and all of a sudden a broker goes belly up, or there's issues and you lose out on that money. That's your money. But let's say I have a $200,000 account, on a funded firm, I can't lose anything, right? I can't lose anything. That account's not even mine. So that's why the worst thing that could happen is they don't pay me, right? I don't get a payout. That's the worst thing that could happen. So I much rather use other people's money to invest. $1 million. Yeah, I mean, even John, like, look at John. You're seeing this with a lot of people, right? Younger guys, right? Young people. Like, you could be 18, 19 years old trading $1 million account, trading with $1 million capital at this point, right? You could be 18, 19, 20 years old, making $50,000 a month trading on $1 million account or a $500,000 account. So yeah, the possibilities, the opportunities while they're here should be taken advantage of. What if
Definitely.
prop firms go away? Yeah, then I would start my own account. Yep. So, but while they're here, I'll be taking full advantage of them. And maybe even create my own prop firm. We'll see. Oh,
You already know. You already know.
every wealthy person will tell you to use. Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly. Other people's capital. Which funding company is good? My forex funds is probably the best. Those are the ones I have live account with. What do I think about E8 funding? I have no idea. I think I might have heard of them, but never looked into them. My forex, Nick.
Time to get funded.
Did we break the daily low? Re-break it? I don't think we re-broke it.
I don't think so.
I believe this is the low here. Oh, maybe we did re-break that low. No, we came right to it. Came right to that low. Let's see if we break it. Came right to the low, never broke it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Can we break that low? How low can you go? How long do you think prop firms are here to stay? Oh, I have no idea. No clue. While they're here, though, like I said, I'll be taking advantage. I don't really think that deep into stuff. You know, while they're here right now, I look forward to just taking advantage of the opportunities that are in front of us. Oh, there it is. Rebroke that low there now. Very, very, very nice push down here. What is causing this here? $13 minutes ago, Russia's ruble hits a 13-month low. Later. Man down, man. 2026. Sheesh. Must be NY Open. NY Open is dumping. And yeah, that's why we didn't want to take those 30-minute buys there. All right. Wow, 4 hour, very nice. Let's take a look at the Dow here. Not doing much on the Dow. Oh yeah, the US 30 should come down and make a steeper bottom wick too here. Huge 15-minute candle, yep. Massive. Yeah, gold dumping pretty nice. Pretty nicely. About 45 pips if you entered on the break of the lows there. Impulse entry. Impulse entry. 4 hours clean though. If we close below these levels here on the 4 hour, you should see a nice push down here today. Impulse entry, what's that? Is that the strategy? Yeah. Impulse entries are basically times where you can take advantage of volume without closures, right? This time it would have worked out. It's a bit of a 50-50 move, in my opinion. We don't see your chat. IG's blocking it. Huh? You might have to fast forward the stream. IG's no longer up. We do a little trolling. Well, but there's no wick. Yeah, there was no wick there anyway, so we wouldn't have taken anything here. Yeah, this is the cool part of like being disciplined and having a playbook is like back in the day I used to feel like, wow, I literally just missed that move, but you know, you can't miss a move unless it's your move, right? If it's not your exact move, then you didn't miss anything, and that's a big when you can finally lock that in. That, man, most traders struggle with these things, right? And then they enter late and then they get stopped out and they enter in off of FOMO and greed and stuff. And once you can lock that in and come in with that mindset that who cares about this move, like this was not our move here, then what happens is, you know, you begin to take a little bit of that off, right? A little bit of that pressure off to try and catch every pip or, you know, find every move in the market. You're really just looking for your move.
That's it.
Yeah, you're just looking for your move and your move only. Oh, you guys want to hear the...
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Zero strategy. There you go. I entered at the top. Nice. We do a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We do a little trolling. Yeah, how'd the 15-minute close here? Yeah, 15 close right at that support level. So we're not going to do anything here. Let's wait for the 30-minute time frame. What's your IG name again? This is my IG right here. Right there. Don't forget the underscore. Haven't heard you're not that guy.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Undertaker's coming. Yeah, we have to get the NY Open bell for 9:30.
That'd be dope.
%, missed move. You don't even know why it stopped there and why 1905 is in play. Awesome.
Hello?
Got it. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Wanosh. Although that may be correct, Mike, we did not miss the move. 1905 may be correct, but the missed move, incorrect. Let's see. What's up, Nick? Hey, what up, KenFX? What up, brother? What up, Green? Morning, sir. What it do? Yeah, you really wanna take advantage of, you want to get a playbook together, right? In trading, you want to make sure you got 3-4 setups that you can pretty much anticipate giving you a good result, every day, right? Every time you take them. So without those playbook positions, you don't have a move, right? Because we're not just chasing anything in the market. That's what losing traders will do, right? They'll chase volume every which way, and it'll throw them around. So, if you look and you read into and you watch videos on really successful traders who have been doing this for 25, 30 years, they'll tell you that you need a playbook, right? So if this trade was a part of your playbook, then that's your move, right? This is somebody's move here, but it's not our move, right? So it's not our move, so we didn't miss the move, but somebody else has some different confirmations, some different indicators, a different view of how they trade the markets, and that may be their opportunity. So that's their pips, but it's not my pips, and I'm totally cool with saying that on a day-to-day basis. So my pips are going to be below a closure below 1909 here, but nothing up here was for me. And that's just how you gotta trade, right? That's how you gotta do this. That's the approach that you have to come in with. Otherwise, man, you're chasing everything, right? You're chasing every little move, every little pip, and in the long term, that's not gonna get you anywhere. Green getting love in the chat. Hey, everyone put a WREEN in the chat for Green. Show them our appreciation. You guys have no idea, don't have a clue how much Green does for this community behind the scenes. So, W for Green.
Godfather.
How often do you do these live streams? Every single day, Monday through Friday. There it is. There's the Reens in the chat. There they go. There they go. Big W's for Green.
Big dubs. Big dubs.
Yeah, shout out to Green. Green, we appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you.
We appreciate you. We love you. Yo, that dude DJ Khaled is a trip, man.
Dude, he's a clown. Nice.
That dude's a trip. What's your IG, Green? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now you asking too much.
Damn.
The only place you'll probably find Green is right here in the chat.
That's it.
What's your favorite part in the Bible? Right before Jesus ascends to heaven, he says, "It is finished." Hallelujah. That's my favorite part in the Bible. Could this be the 820 push? Absolutely.
Yeah, my boy. It's good.
What's your bank account, Green? Conspiracy theory. Nick is green. Ho! Yo! Is Green an AI generated software? Hoo hoo hoo. Is it you on DTEIG? I don't know what that is. No, I guess not. 820 volume with the push here. Oh, push it, push it. Push it. Green is the AI. The real theory is green is Nick. Oh, man. NY Open doing some work. Doing work. Gold is on my keyboard now. I still feel FOMO seeing this candle. Oh no, no. You don't feel FOMO. Those are lies. Those are lies going on in your brain. They're telling you lies. People What if I said Sam was also an AI? And so was John. Just go ahead and pull your debit card out. Tell me the 6-digit code, the expiration, and the 3 wacky numbers on the back. Mike is in sales. Using Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Visa, okay. If it's anything like mine, it starts with a 4. I'm ready for those numbers when you're ready. And those 3 wacky numbers on the back. Good morning, Nick. Hey, good morning. CPI move on an average Monday? Yeah, right? What's up with this thing? Well expected. All right. What a 30-minute candle this has been.
Patience.
Send what? Send that Bitcoin. What's up, Nick? What's your thoughts on the minute 15, 30, and 1 hour top wick? Seems too small, almost no top wick at all. Yeah, I see that. Yep, almost no top wick at all here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, you may see candles start to creep back up, create that top wick.
You get the pack run army.
Pack runner. Downs and buys right now? Yeah, he would be. That's I could see that. I could see the sniper. Alright, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Hey, we took sells, chat. Patiently waiting for a good trade. Nice. Same. Sniper entry. Yep, Shiro, no FOMO. Exactly. Yo, John, how does a big bull bearish candle like this impact our analysis? Do we stick to the plan or make few adjustments to our ranges? Yes, we stick to the plan, and that's all we would do. Just make a few adjustments, right? Whatever ranges we're entering, we'll just check it out. We'll mark it up. You know, we'll mark up the new range we're entering, and yeah, right. Same plan from here. We just gotta adjust, right, with the ranges.
Fumo? No Fumo?
Don, what kind of setup would you like to see here? Any setups of my playbook setups that I can get, right?
All right, let's take a look at this. We need a top wick. We still got range to go here at 8:30, but we're gonna need a steep top wick here for us to get into positions, and then we can potentially have some entries to continue down.
What do you think, though, Nick? You don't think we get that back runner 8 a.m.? No topic.
Probably not. I mean, look how high up it is. Price may come back up at some point today, but to see a top wick come all the way up here, I don't think we're gonna. 67
Deep
pip
price
top
action.
wick. Yeah. Nickelodeon. Yeah. Nas is bleeding. Ooh, let's take a look. Blader. Oh, we never did our analysis here on the NASDAQ, right? Yeah. I don't think we did it today. But yeah, we definitely be looking for sells. I'm sure this is a pretty good position right here. You really didn't have much of a top wick, so I don't know if I would have taken that. But yeah, nice closure here and a push down. So that was the range that you wanted to trade in. And then now let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, I guess the next cleanest range is below here now. You got really clean range. I mean, this is a little bit of a steep, but super clean candles down here. I mean, if this daily candle really wants to drive here today, you may see a nice move, but the NASDAQ should continue on down at this point. 1 hour looks good to continue down. 4 hour is looks like it's gonna close bear. You may have had a 4 hour fake out or something here for price to continue down. So yeah, looks good. Looks good for those sells. Everything is dumping here today.
Yeah, be my back to your question. Like, you're just following price action, right? And wherever price action goes, like, you're gonna follow it and you're gonna identify your ranges where price action is, right? So you adjust your ranges on how price action moves.
Got to adjust. Can we take a look at GJ? GJ? All right, I'll do a quick look at GJ for you. GJ? GJ. Yeah, GJ is GJ's should be pretty bullish here today. Based off of the closure on Friday. Let's see, what do we got coming on here? Yeah, you got pretty clean range coming up on pound yen. Probably up into this area here. So I would be looking for buys. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, you have a resistance right there that you close right at, and now you're starting to reject. 1 hour is, you know, pushing back down bearish. You had this resistance. So 4 hour, yeah, 4 hours starting to reject. 1 hour is bearish. 30 minutes pretty bearish below the range. I would just wait for range 2 sells below 184.23, or look to take your buys back above that resistance there. Yeah. Pretty clean range to the bottom, but you are bullish on the day, so you do want to wait for that range 2 below there. Goldie coming back up. Let's see. Yeah, you may get a 1 hour fake out still, but let's see how this 30-minute candle, right? We had no top wick. Here comes the top wick. And here's what happens, gang. A lot of traders, they feel they missed this move, right? So they want to enter now, and you know, they enter somewhere along these lines here, and then price starts pulling back on them. It's typical, you know, newbie stuff that traders do. And you know, now they're all the way in drawdown, and they were expecting to move, and it's going to pull back, and you know, we're coming into the last 15 of the 4 hours. So that's where the FOMO gets you, is you never enter the good position. You always enter the crappy position after the big volume has come in. And now you have FOMO from that move, so you try and force something that shouldn't be there. Right? Now, if we create a steep top wick and now break the lows, you may have an opportunity to come down. But I believe this 4 hour is going to want to pull back a little bit. And the 1 hour as well, right? So very, very dangerous territory now. Yup, happens all the time with beginner traders. They'll enter somewhere in this range. They won't enter here though, because remember, they knew that they had to wait for a top wick. But as price started bleeding, that discipline started wearing off and wearing off and wearing off until eventually they gambled in here, took a degenerate trade, and now they're all the way back up in drawdown. So they may have gotten stopped out or scared out of their position, and now price will either break those lows, continue down, and then you're punching air, right? Or price is just going to continue pumping up here for the 4 hour closure. So happened to me in the beginning. Yeah, there you go. Happens all the time. Hey, what happened here? There we go. I had so much FOMO before now. I just fully understand the market will give you an opportunity over and over again. Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Salary play on gold? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, so now the 4 hour is going to close up. So you may see some pullback here, right? You may see price start to push up to pull back here. Last 15 of the 4 hour coming up. Definitely not going to take any positions on that candle. I'm just going to wait now for the 4 hour time frame here. TTE has already saved me. Where'd that go? Oh. A year of ruining keyboards. That's funny. Typo. Typo. Oh, let me like the stream. I haven't liked the stream yet. There we go.
Like it up.
Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today.
Bandwagons to the charts.
Yeah. Where's the support on 1904 you have marked up? If you look left, you'll see. Oh yeah, no, that was just a target. Yeah, I was looking to a target somewhere in these wick rejection range right here. But yeah, that's kind of like where price could be heading, somewhere down in these support levels, in these wick rejection levels here. Hello, professional. you doing? He's definitely staying here. We're just gonna see the price. Yeah. Yeah, we just want to see a closure here. Once we get a 30-minute candle to close or a 1 hour, 4 hour closure, then I think we're going to be we're setting up really nice for sell positions, right? If we like got rid of everything here and we took a look at the 4 hour time frame, all we need to see really is a closure below this level here. If we can get a closure below that support level on the 4 hour time frame, I believe price will continue down here today, possibly even see 1902 here, and that's plenty of room to continue driving, right? If we look, we measure that range there, you've got, you know, about a 60, 70 pip range to continue down. We just need to see a closure below. If we get that close below, very, very clean move coming down. We can move stops to break even right around the wick fill, and then continued on down to like 1902 here. Yeah, that's what I'd be looking for. $50+ on 3-minute trade. Oh, nice. Good stuff. What's the selling level on gold? I think that 4 hour support is going to be really the next area, right? If we can close below 1910, then I think that's going to give us a nice return, a nice range to trade in, and some good positions below there. What do you think about that, Johnny boy?
I think it sounds good.
How good?
Freaking really good.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're creeping back up now. So there's that pullback that we talked about, 15-minute. And now you're probably going to see another pullback here, right? Because we're coming into the last 15-minute of this 4 hour time frame here. So 30 minutes pulling back, 1 hour is pulling back, 4 hours pulling back pretty nicely. It's going to leave us a nice wick to fill here as well. So that looks pretty clean. Yeah, or we may see price continue up, right, to create that top wick here, because we still don't have that top wick, right? Something like this. So we'll see. We'll see what this crazy Monday has in store for us. Made $1 billion on the on the gold push. If the daily candle closes,
this
what happened?
not like this is what it's about, right? Waiting, watching, resistant impulses, right? Waiting for your best playbook setup, waiting for the best trade. This is what we do day in, day out, right? Not new.
Yeah, sir.
Get used to it.
Get used to it. Yeah, we'll see, because we still have no top wick on that candle up there, right? And that is we can still, so the next 4 hour can come up, make a top wick, fail to break the high here, but give us that top wick on the 1 hour, right? Because these are the 4 hour highs right here. So if we came up, created a top wick for this candle here, and then came back down, that would be beautiful. Yeah, that'd be lovely. Yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on the 4 hour close here on US 30 as well. Yeah, 1 hour is looking clean. I'm not too sure what caused that push down. I think that was more than the NY Open here. Going up, I think. Oh, nice. Would you set a sell stop if the candle starts flipping? No. Yeah, waiting for the 4-hour close here. No, I'm not necessarily going to wait for that 4-hour to come all the way up here because it may not do that. But we definitely do need or going back to gold, we definitely do need a top wick though on the new 4-hour candle. Yeah, GJ, you could take your sells. I would wait for range 2 sells. You don't want to get faked out below here. So I would wait for possibly a second range to be formed there. Gold, we'll see. We got what? We got 15 minutes left here. Yeah, you may see a push up now. A nice push up to give us that top wick or give us that wick fill for the new 4-hour candle. Yeah, weekly broke the lows, coming down, man. Day 1 of the week. Took a short on gold earlier, stopped me out because my stop loss too tight, so I saw another entry. Oh yeah, yep. Them dang emotions. What's up, guys? I'm quiet, but I'm watching. Hey, yo, good to have you here.
Good.
Got 2 sells on GJ, got BE, at least my idea was valid. Oh, nice. It's my first time. One thing I'm learning today is definitely how to effing keep my mind in one place. Otherwise, I'm running haywire. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's what's cool about having a stream to plug into is that you're out there trading with other traders, right? So you're not all alone because, man, when you're all alone trading, sometimes it gets spooky. Spooky.
Okay.
It gets scary real quick. Lonely traders. Like the stream so we could save more people from being on their own trading.
They're the lonely traders.
One less lonely trader. Come to your stream just because I don't get bored. Yeah, we're been profitable ever since I found your channel. Oh, nice. Most definitely took your strategy and ran with it. Oh, beautiful. That's what I love to hear, man. Those silent killers out there like me. I know there's some silent people who come to the stream every day that are really getting this thing. They're just not talking in the chat, and that's totally fine because, you know, that's how I was too, right? I was a silent assassin, right? And I was learning everything that stream had to offer, and then I was running with it.
Yeah, you know, there's that one guy right now.
Yeah.
Who's silent as hell.
Yep.
Who's about to kill it.
Yep. Who's on his way to becoming a multi-gazillionaire through trading forex. And then we'll hear about him one day. He'll be the new guy on campus for the live streams and YouTube. And but hey, man. Watching with my wife. We caught 1914. Let's eat, baby.
On the eat.
Chill. Chill. I want my presence to be known. Yes. Yeah, we want to know. We want to know who you guys are, though. Don't stay quiet on our stream. Don't do what I did.
Guys, be active.
Hey, 5 pips your cat, 10 pips your headphones. Nah, these headphones were 5 pips. I think, right? I think they were like 5 pips.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Yep, they were.
Silent killer Clarence. He's a silent killer. Oh yeah, here are all the silent killers. Yeah. Glad you guys are here. What up, Augie? I am one of them. Yes. Let's go. A lot of silent killers here in the chat. Mellow Madness. Yes, Coach Carter. Yeah, this is what we expected here on gold, right? We expected a pushback up, and hey, you never know. We may have a 1 hour fake out, right? Potential fake outs below here. Just because price did all this doesn't really mean anything. Remember, the only thing that really matters is how the candle and where the candle closes. So this candle can close way back in the range here. I won't forget you guys when I make it big. Yeah, don't forget us.
Hey, hero of the day. We do a little trolling. Good YOLO trader.
YOLO. How many years did it take you to be successful at trading? About 2.5 years. What's the alternative I can use to replace and reduce coffee intake? Water. Lots of water and deep breaths in the morning. Deep breaths. 10 deep breaths. 3 sets. Hold the last one in.
Find your why.
I am YOLO.
Let that energize you.
This guy said find your why. How do I get off this coffee hack? Just find your why.
Find your why.
How do I stop cursing? Find your why. How do I wake up earlier? Find your why. How do I read a little bit more? Find your why.
Yeah.
How do I become more disciplined in the charts? Find your why.
Honey.
Hold the last one till stream. Good morning. I'm too busy to chat with you. I'm sorry. No, don't be sorry. I'm applying your skills on some trades. Beautiful. That's all we're here. That's all we would like to hear. You gotta do what you gotta do, though. My confidence in forex came back when I joined the live streams. Oh, nice. On the first Friday of this month. Oh, beautiful. Black coffee. Yeah, you got black coffee. Stay fasted. Yep. You guys are rolling this morning. We're rolling, baby. Rolling. 5:55 left. Any wife candidate? DM me on Discord. Gotta love Shiro, man.
Yeah.
That's how you network. That's how you build your list right there, Shiro.
Nice. Good job,
The
Shiro.
law of averages. What do you think about SMC? Have you ever tried it? No, I've never tried it. I think I've heard of that stuff like in the beginning of my journey. How can I learn trading, become good at it? Just come to the stream every day. We're here Monday through Friday. I think you'll get a lot out of the stream and just hanging on and hanging tight and hanging out and vibing with us. How long do you hold the last breath for? 45 minutes. Nah, I'm just kidding. Like
Like 30 seconds.
Yeah, nah, like 10 seconds. Yeah, because you need all that oxygen rushing into your brain, into your blood, right? We need oxygen, especially very early in the morning. We're very dehydrated, and we're very our brain does a whole flush. Like while we're sleeping, we get this whole flush going on in our brain and everything. So bringing air back into the brain is extremely important first thing in the morning. Yeah, and it's always good to sleep if you can with like a pillow, because you can drain that flush. $45 minutes, I bet.
45 minutes.
Hold it till London.
Hold it the whole London. Hold it throughout London and New York session.
From your experience, why do traders lose their money in the beginning? They just don't have a good read on the markets. They don't have a playbook, right? They don't have a plan of action. They don't have they may have a trading plan that someone else made up for them, but they don't have a true plan of action, a true playbook to stick with. And I think if I would have had a playbook or learned about the playbook earlier on, I think I would have had success a lot quicker. But once one finds a true playbook, and they take a few months to learn the nuances of their pair and the playbook, then and it's successful, right, over time, then I think that'll set them up for continued success.
And detach from the money. Forget about it. Stop focusing on it.
Yeah, detach. How can I create a playbook? You show up to the charts every day and you start to recognize these patterns and recognize, the same repetitive things that happen in the markets all the time. And then you spend months watching and testing and seeing what the results are and seeing what they would be. And then all of a sudden now you have sample size data. And instead of, it's basically like forward testing. Right, you're just testing this data out in live markets, watching what the market will do on a day-to-day basis, and then once you have that data there, now you have yourself a playbook, right? And now you just stay disciplined to those 3, 4, 5 setups day in and day out. Let the probabilities work out in your favor. What you'll notice, you'll come to find out that it won't be 100% win rate. It could be a good one, but it ain't going to be 100, right? So you got to understand that you're not going to win every trade that you take. And the best playbooks don't win every trade that they take. The best traders don't win every trade that they take. So you got to understand that although you have a very good and well-developed playbook, there's still going to be losses in there. That's part of the game. So just once you've got the playbook, understand what it's going to yield, right? Our playbook on average yields us like an 80, 82, 85% win rate. So understand what your playbook is going to give you, and then just go about, your day in and day out, run that playbook and let the probabilities play out. Oh, nice. I never chat because I'm driving Uber. Yeah. Hold the breath until you like the stream. How do we keep ourselves composed? I'm up 1% on the day already, still feeling of missing out something. Yeah, honestly, having a playbook goes back. That goes back to having a playbook as well. When you're composed, when you know exactly what you're looking for. Because if you don't have exactly what you're looking for, then there's nothing on the table for you. So it's very easy to stay composed when you operate in that manner.
Oh yeah. That's so freaking true. Just stay composed by doing your job, right? Like hunting and seeking those playbook setups, and when you get them, execute on them. If you get them again, cool. If not, you come back the next day, right? Like,
Yep.
you should be composed with getting 1% for your day if you followed your plan, right? And if you can continue to hunt that for the rest of the session, if you don't get that, like, come back the next day. That's it. All you can do.
That's all you could do. So right now we're waiting for our setups, right, and our playbook to show itself out. We did get a 4-hour closure. We did close below the, let's get rid of everything real quick, right? We got a 4-hour close. We did close below that level of support there, right here. And then now you have pretty clean territory coming down to about 1906. That just happens to be the wick fill as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour time frame as well again real quick. 1-hour closures. So we need to see a top wick on the 4-hour candle here, right? If we can get a decent top wick, then come 9:15, 9:30, what I would love to see here is a fake out, right? If we can get that fake out right here, that would be perfect. Let's see if we can get this 15-minute candle to close above like this, just like how it looks right now. Close above, maybe attempt to fill that wick, and then the next 15-minute candle close back below. And then we have 9:30 volume on our side at that point, and we could look to take advantage of this full move all the way down here come NYSE open. So that's what I would love to see here. Potentially get ourselves a nice little fake out on this 15-minute time frame for price to continue down, right? Because this would be this candle right here. Let me get rid of that. This is going to be your 9 to 9:15. This is going to be your 9:15 to 9:30, and then this is going to be your 9:30 candle right here. So we got clean traffic coming down. We want to see if we could take advantage of that at 9:30. I think this is going to be our best bet. Bring out the whole arrows. Yeah, so maybe we'll see something like that here on the 15-minute time frame. This is also the low. I believe that's the 4-hour low right there. Yep, so that's going to also be the 4-hour low, which is this 15-minute low here. So I think that's going to be perfect. So if we can get that to foot, now that's our playbook, right? So if we can get our playbook to play itself out here, then we will look to take positions off of this resistance right here and take advantage of the move down on this candle. So let's see if we can get it. Deal or no deal, gang? What's it going to be?
Deal or no deal. Model.
Printing candles. Yeah.
Yo, bro, Nick, how simple is trading when you got a playbook?
It's very simple. You guys see us do this day in and day out, right? Does it look like we're having trouble or things are super complicated? No, we just keep things extremely simple, man. Very, very simple.
And it is simple. And that's all we do when we come here and look for those setups every day.
Yep. Yep, so we'll see what happens here. In a long right now, nice. Yeah, you should. I would expect this wick to almost get filled, right? So I would expect price to pump up here as we create the bottom wick here. So break that high, or you may not break that high because that's a decent top wick right there for the 4-hour time frame, tapping back into that support level. So we may or may not break that high. We're gonna have to wait for this 15 to close, and then we'll see what's going on. Because if either way, if the 15 closes bearish, we could probably anticipate the move back down, right? So if let's say we don't get the fake out, but the candle closes back below, then that's most likely going to be your 4-hour top wick, and price should continue moving down here for the remainder of the session. So 2 scenarios there for sells. So we'll keep an eye on this. Oh, new subscriber. Let's go. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got 1,500 people here. If you guys haven't liked the stream, let's give the stream a like as well and get them likes up. We only got 655. Sheesh. I thought we were going to have 1,000. I thought we were going to have 1,000. So here comes the 15. So yeah, let's wait for this candle to close here in 9 minutes, and then we may have some positions. Positions. Give me one moment.
Hey, chat, like it up. Bring out the whole likes. What do you think about opposite trades? What is that? What is that? Opposite trades. The only trades we ever take are playbook setup trades. I don't know about opposite trades. Hey, there is no strategy. Oh, if you're going against the bias, right, you want to make sure it's a range too. Whatever it is that you're going against your bias, just make sure it's range too. Yep, zero strategy. Chat, what's good? Y'all got any questions? Don't be scared to ask, right? Yeah, but price action is our strategy, right? We look for certain patterns with price action. That's what we look for.
This is
Max
lovely.
out my credit card hero of the day, man.
No, we don't use the QM or the Fibonacci. Nope. Or pivots.
What we use. The only we use our eyes.
We use the EYES indicators. Bottoming. I'm late. You have traded? No, we didn't trade yet. Yeah, we're going to look to take positions, though, at 9:30 here. If we can get this 30-minute candle to close below the range, we'll look to take our positions coming back down here today. Yeah, we need a closure, though. Need a closure. Why did I mark that zone as a potential fake out? Because we may see a potential fake out here. So let's say that this candle closes bullish, right? We may get a fake out on the 15-minute time frame to come back down here. And then this is where we would take our sells for that potential fake out. Yeah, if not, then we wait for a closure now in 4 minutes, or we wait for a 30-minute closure here for NYSE open. Now I understand what the EY is. Do I have Twitter? Yeah, I have Twitter. Thanks, Nick. Love you. Hey, love you too. Yo, Nick, thanks for helping me make over 60K. That's a lot for me because I'm only 20. Hey, beautiful job, David. Congrats, man. Made over 60K from the live streams. That's good stuff. Just realized 2024 is in 4 months. Yeah. Took me 2 days to figure out the EYES indicator. Hey, yo, were you the one that was like all tripped up on that all day? I remember somebody was like, later on after the stream, they're like, yo, I seen them in the Discord. They're like, yo, I cannot seem to find this EYES indicator. Like, what's going on? That guy TK is that guy. You weren't that guy on that day. Where is it? You gotta find it. Pushing, pushing. If you normally enter one lots on gold, how should you go for the Dow? Yeah, that's something I'm still looking to work out myself. Really need to. I'm probably gonna do. I'm gonna trade based off of risk percentage when it comes to US 30 here. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys don't have magic keys, go pick yourself up a set of magic keys or any other type of risk management tool. These are going to be clutch in trading. I couldn't even think about trading without this anymore. Yeah, I think there's a link in the description here on the YouTube channel that you guys can get the magic keys. You guys could buy the physical version. I think they're like 180, or you could buy like the on-screen, which is I think $35 or some. I think they went. Someone said that it's monthly now, so I'm not sure what it is every month, but. Do you mainly trade gold? Let's see. I would say so. Gold. Yeah, so this is our spreadsheet here. So we started the streams in February. And if we move John from here, it's mainly all gold, right? We were trading pound yen as well, but if you notice, it's mainly gold here. Pound yen hasn't really played much of a factor in my trading this year. Over the last 3 years, I traded pound yen a lot, but this year haven't really traded it much, so decided to, let it go. But yeah, it's a lot of gold. Yeah, we added US 30 here recently. But yeah, I think April may have been our highest GJ month, which was 4 trades. All winners too. May was damn near all gold here too, yeah. Yeah, May was all gold. June June was just one GJ trade there. That was it. Yeah, one GJ trade, 930. Simple breakout. Yeah, and then July, I think, yeah, July we took a few pound yen trades here. Took a few losses there on pound yen too, and kind of made me think about it a little bit. But yeah, I haven't really been using pound yen too much. So we decided to get rid of it, throw a new pair in there. And the price action isn't really the best right now either. So it's best that we look to another pair. So we should get a top wick here on the Dow. So let's wait on that. Gold is chilling. I think gold will wait here for us for 930. Looks like we did close on the 15-minute time frame. We did close bearish, which is very, very nice. I would love on a Monday to wait for 930 here. So maybe we get like a 15-minute celery, 30-minute onion would be lovely. Lovely. Hello, everybody. How is everyone doing? Hey, we're doing great. We are doing fantastic. An onion? What's an onion? An onion is a play based off of resistance, right? So if we create if the 30-minute candle here establishes an resistance, then we'll take our trade coming down. So that's kind of like the onion play is what we call it. Yeah, we'll look to trade like that.
See what happens on the 15.
That ain't too bad either. 25 pips. Yeah, on this lovely Monday, I think I'd rather wait for a 30-minute onion here. Why do I sometimes wait for 9:30? Because 9:30 brings in a lot of volume. Yeah, so sometimes like you can expect the next. So we had a lot of volume dump in here. So we would expect somewhat of a hold off until the next time volume comes in, which is 9:30. So sometimes we end up missing a push down on the 15-minute, but that's okay. This is a much stronger confirmation, so.
Ooh.
Yeah, we should come down to the test the bottom of the range for sure. Already 14K subs. Yes, sir. Let's get to 20. Yeah, 20K subs coming in hot. If you guys have not subbed to the channel here, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You got 11K on IG? Yeah, we got like 10 or 11,000 followers on IG now. Yeah, it's no surprise, right? We continue to deliver value on all of our platforms. So, you know, we want to help people. We want to share this information, right? Because a lot of people are just struggling out there. They don't know exactly what to do, or, you know, whatever the case is with business or trading. So we just want to be there to be a city on a hill. But look, we did get that fake out there. That was really nice. Yeah, the 15 wasn't bad. You could have had basically 27 pip stops on that, so not too bad. But 930 is coming in. The sells at 8:15. No, I didn't like those. Those were that we closed right at a support level at 8 o'clock, and then 8:15 drove down. But I wouldn't have taken that because we closed right at that support. If you look left, there was a 15-minute support here. Let's get to it. Yeah, it was a little bit below there, so very, very strong support there. So I didn't want to take any trades in this little minor rejection range there. So yeah. But this 15-minute wasn't too bad. Not too bad. But I think I would much rather wait for the 30-minute time frame. It only gave about 7 pips as of right now. So I'd rather wait for the volume to come in. Let this candle be the fake out candle. Maybe pull back a bit, and then we could take our sells coming down. You listen to Wu-Tang? Wu-Tang. How to learn defying fake outs and all other sorts of essential strategies. You could tune into our stream. You could. What I highly recommend too is if you're able to join the Time to Eat Elite program when that opens up, because that will dive deep into all the essential strategies that we use. How much do you trade with to get 100 per pip? $100,000 account. I don't listen to any more hip hop unless it's praising God. Amen, Aaron. Amen. Yeah, or you can watch the playbook video. Check out the video we did on the playbook, and that should get you started. And then tune into the live streams every day. Yeah, these are all free live streams every day. Yeah, if we can get to 1,000 likes though by 9:30, that would add an extra confirmation to this trade. What are we looking for? We're looking for the 30-minute to close. It would be really nice. It would be ideal if it can maybe pull back a little bit and close somewhere around here. And then we have this wick to fill. All we would need is a small top wick. We'll keep our stops above here, and then price should be good to continue down. So that's what I would love to see here. We got 7 minutes for the candle to close, and that's when more volume will start to dump in here. When's the NYSE open? That is going to be in 6 minutes and 58 seconds. How did you get to a 6-figure funded account? I took a evaluation with my forex funds, and that's how I got the account. Buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or short. No, you're supposed to say long or short. Long or short, buy or sell. And then you have to have buy or sale. Say sale. S-A-I-L. Buy or sale. Is anyone else having problems with my forex funds account analyzer? Oh, I'll have to check. We need 1K likes before that trade. Oh, there you go. Long or sell. There you go. Buy or sell. There it is. MFF tripping. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm sure they'll get on it. Quaking. Gold's quaking. Gold is done for the day. Oh, nice. Yeah, don't worry about my forex funds. They'll get that all taken care of. When trying to get a funded account after you pass, do you need to keep some of your earnings in the account? No. Nope. Magic Keys only works on Meta? Oh, that's a good question. I'm not too sure. Yeah, nice move here. It seems to be any time that we wait on the 15 will drive.
I feel like we talked about the 15 too, just like, you know, a way to get, you know, before
Into
the
it
930
early.
volume. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, I think we may have been able to take that 15 and just kept stops above the highs here. I think that would have been pretty ideal, but hindsight's 2020, right? Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, it looks
Still
good.
playing out really good though for 930.
Yeah, that's the move we expected, right? With the new 4-hour open. So got it. Got it, just decided to hold off. The 15 kind of did the move there, right? Just held off on it. Anticipated more volume to come in here. What leverage do I use? 1 to 100 or 1 to 200. How do the refunds work on the funded? They send the money back. Yeah, some of them send it back. Some of them send it in the payout. So depending on which company you're using. What's involved in the funded account evaluation? You just have to make 8%. That's it, 8 or 10%, depending on which company you work with. Most companies now they don't have a time limit, but you used to have to do that within like 30 days. But the companies now, most of them, I think, if not all of them, got rid of time limits. So you just got to make 8%. Once you do that, you move on to phase 2. Phase 2, they require 5%, and then once you do that, you're able to get your live account. In the meantime, you can't blow past 5% max daily drawdown or 10 or 12% max drawdown total on your account. So, yeah. Is 1 to 200 your ideal leverage, or is it just the one you're going? Yeah, that's what my live account gives, is 1 to 200. So, 1 to 1,000 is amazing, right? Yeah, now anything over like 100, 200 is pretty good. Anything below that, it is a bit low in my opinion. At what point when you consider it's too far down? Well, if it closes above this white line, then it's too far down. But if it closes below it, if we look left, then we have a new range that we're entering into. All right, let's take a look at this. So we have a new range here. So you see how there's a support there? So if we close right above this white line, we're too far down. But if we close below it, then next step is going to be 1902 here. Yeah. Yeah, somewhere down in this range. 1902, 1903, somewhere down here. Because you have a full range to drive in now. Yeah, especially below this support here. That's clean, clean, clean. No top wick. So we got the open here. Let's see, did we close above that line there? Okay, we closed below. So if we get a steep top wick now, when we re-break these lows, very high chance we can come down for about another 25 pips or so. Let's see what that stop is. Oh. Yeah, this looks pretty good, chat. I'm gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows. Yeah, right around here. So what is that, 1904? 1904. 32. All right, so if we do break that low, oh, did we break the low there? Why am I not seeing that low break? What's going on here? Yeah, I'm not too sure. I thought we broke the lows on TradingView, no? Well, either way, if we break those lows, chat, so sell stop on the break of the lows here. That should do it now. Stops are going to be kept above the candle. I don't know why this is telling me different stuff here. What's going on?
Yeah, my MT5 is exactly like yours.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to have sell stops on the break of the lows right here. Stops are going to be kept above these current candle highs. So right around this zone here. And that's going to be my position. So stops. Oh, 1906. All right, so did we get activated? There's some funky stuff going on here. Like, I don't understand this.
What the hell, bro? I still haven't got activated, yo.
Chat, y'all good? Is this my broker or something? Who's activated?
Dude, what the hell, bro?
I don't know why I've not been activated here, gang. I don't know why. This looks totally different here than what I got here. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna delete this. There's something. Hold on. I'm activated. I'm activated. All right. I'll just hang on to it. Since everyone's activated, I'll hang on and see if I can get activated as well. I don't know what happened here. I'm not exactly
Dude,
sure.
Me too, bro. I'm not sure.
My forex funds. I don't know.
Like, I'm trying to think. Like, do we keep these? Like,
Yeah, chat. I'm deleting my positions. I don't know what is what's the deal here. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened here.
that literally broke the low on the charts, but on the terminal did not activate us. Weird.
Who's activated? I got activated on ACAP.
Damn, everyone got activated.
Let me check my the funded trader. No, I never got activated on ACAP either. Very, very strange here. So what I would do is I would have my stops sitting above 1906, 500 here. That's what I would do. I'm not too sure why I wasn't activated. My sell stops are on the break of the lows there, so I'm not too sure what happened.
I've never seen that before.
My forex fund server's down. All right, well, if you're in, gang, this should be good to go. Like, we have volume on our side. This was a good trade. This is a trade that I would be in, and price should very well do its thing. What is the deal with? So my forex funds, are we able to open a trade on this or what? Wow. Yeah, TP. So in this trade, chat, what I would do is this is what I would look like here.
Yeah, you guys should be chilling though.
Yeah, you're very ahead of the trade, trust me.
Very. 9:30.
So yeah, this would be what I'd be looking at here. So entry was probably up here. So you guys should be about 10 pips in profit there. Let me just look left. Yeah, I would go break even here, and I would move stops to break even and close some partials right here. Yeah, you got about 10 pips out of that move, and then it should continue down, but we are coming into that rejection zone there, so you may get some sort of you see all this rejection here to the left, so you may get some sort of rejection going on. But yeah, I would go break even at this point, so no more risk on the trade, and then you should see this thing start to drive once we re-break that low now. I'm in on my forex funds. Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
Bro, Nick, that was the weirdest shit ever.
Yeah. Interesting. Interesting. I'm gonna have a conversation with my forex funds today.
Gonna have to.
Yeah, man, it's $1,000 right here I'm missing out on.
Right?
So yeah, there it is, chat. So you should continue driving at this point. So W's for everyone who got activated there. Hold on. If activated, close.
Definitely be risk free.
Yeah, a bunch of people didn't get activated. Oh, a bunch of W's though. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Way to take advantage of that 930 volume. Not exactly sure, again, what happened here, but I guess it is what it is. A lot of people were not activated. Future FX, I wasn't activated either. Strange. Me either. Yeah, that's weird. Never seen that happen. That was too risky? No, it wasn't. That was a beautiful 930 trade right there. You had a top wick form right where we wanted it. Price broke the lows. It should continue on down. You got volume on your side. It's a beautiful trade right here.
Very.
It's a good like 85% win rate on this position. You got activated with slippage? Jumped in manually. Nice. BE. Yeah, BE should be getting hit now. So hopefully you guys close partials up right around this zone here, and that's the trade of the day. Yeah, maybe we'll get one more. We'll see. The levels, you're confused about the levels? Yeah. Well, go on the 30-minute time frame here. Scroll left, and what you'll see is you'll see rejection, 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 rejections. Right? Rejections. So somewhere in this level is where you want to make your trade risk-free and potentially close partials. Right? All these rejections here are telling you, I'm willing to come into the zone, but I may not blast through it. Right? I may reject. Right? As you can see. So this is your opportunity here to take the risk off of your trade, close partials, do whatever it is that you want to do with it. And yeah, that's why we have that level there. Never went B. Nice. Still holding. Still holding. Oh, I'm still in drawdown. Oh. Yeah, that's why I deleted mine. And, you know, as a trader, you really got to think on your toes, right? I deleted mine because if I didn't get activated there, what price would they give me, right? I didn't want to get activated all the way down here. So, you know, it was best to just, you know, if you weren't activated at that point, to just delete it and move on to the next.
Because it broke the low a couple of times. At least like 2 or 3, right? Like, and we never got activated.
Yeah. Yep. Can you explain not needing the longer bottom wick? Oh yeah. Price drove down initially, came back up, created that top wick where we wanted. Once it rebroke its own low during 9:30 volume time, that's gonna, you know, assure you a decent push, right? Maybe not a full move, but a push that works for us, which is, you know, you can expect to see some volume dump in. So that's why you don't really need huge top wicks on volumes that come in with candles that come in with volume, and then that bottom wick is good enough right there, especially, excuse me, after making its own low. Oh, nice. Micah got 1% on that.
Oh.
4 pip slippage on my forex funds. Yeah, that's what I wasn't willing to risk that at that point. US 30. I was activated below my sell stops. Yeah, that's what I was looking to avoid there. I'd rather avoid that immediately than hold on to it and win a trade, or, you know, because you never know. If you get activated, then you're activated at not the price you wanted to, right? And as a negotiator, I want the price that I want. I don't want them to activate me you know, 4 pips or 6. This one would have been even further, right? Because I don't think anyone got activated till that low. Where you guys should send my forex funds an email, because I'm gonna be talking with them today, for sure. Yeah, that would have been your break even right there. But yeah, I wouldn't want that entry. Yeah, if they were having server issues, they may be willing to help you out today. But I wanna know why that happened.
Look at that. Hit our vantage point. Now we go up.
Sell stop was wrong. No, it wasn't. It was the exact sell stop I had on MT5. Yeah, my forex fund's got some issues going on today. Oh wow, MT5 did a crash. No way. All right, 1 sec. Give me 1 second, all right?
Are we buying now? No, we aren't. We're not. Did you stay in the trade? Well, we hit that advantage point already. And since we hit that advantage point, it was logically smart to move the trade to break even, but if you're still in it, yeah, I mean, it's coming back down, right? So whatever you want to do, you can get out of B right now. So if you don't want to be in it, get out of B right now. You're in DD, you'll leave it stop loss where it is. All right. Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's coming down right now. So we are at that advantage point. So whenever you can, that guy T guy, I would move stops to B since we're at that advantage point. Really, the funded trader did it also. Wow.
Interesting Monday.
That is sketch. Well, is that now? Cool. All right, cool. A lot of you out of B. Let's see. Yeah, that's weird.
I closed $100 in profit. Nice. Yeah, there you go. Here comes the push down to target. Sketchy trade. Yeah, that was a bit sketchy.
A little bit.
And there's the target, 930.
Yeah, a lot of people got slipped on that.
It wasn't sketchy, like the trade wasn't sketchy. I mean, the whole broker MT5 thing was a little sketchy. The trade itself was beautiful, one that we've taken many, many times before. And this is what we could expect, right?
Trade W.
Price to come on down now. We do a little slippage. Yeah, brokers screwed us on this one here today. Brokers screwed us over. Yeah, I never got activated. Oh. Yeah, never got activated on 8cap or Traders Global. Interesting.
Yo, Joe, did you get activated?
Is there a difference between account types on deal? Oh yeah, there is a difference. Yeah, I don't think you just have to fill out the different information. That's all. But deal should be good. Just let them know what account you wanted it associated with or deposited into. Typical, blame the brokers. Closing runners. Oh, nice job. Yeah, good work. Got slipped 6 pips on 8cap. Sheesh. Yeah, we should have phoned JP, I guess. Yeah, I've never really seen that, right? I thought we were activated, but I looked at MT5 and MT5 didn't really budge at all, so that was a bit trippy.
Very.
Yeah, anyway, gotta move on to the next trade now, right? Nuke everything. No more magic on the magic keys. Can you please explain the buy setup? Well, there is none. There is no buy setup. Yeah, nice move here though. Nice 4-hour move, exactly what we expected, right? To fill that wick, continue down. Our target on the day was these wick levels down here at 1902. Money. Money, money. Daily celery play here. Daily celery. Yeah, if we can close below this level here now on the daily today, that would be just fantastic. We'll have a lot of range coming down. Right, close below here. Major support, major support. Lots of support, rejection, rejection. If we can close below that, we got nice clean traffic tomorrow coming down into these levels here. Fill the whole range there. Can we see the MT5 after the 1 minute? There you go. Yeah, the entry was supposed to be right here. A little bit lower. It was like 1904. Because price had pushed down right away. Right? Price came down, made a bottom wick. And then the entries are like right around there. So let's take a look. Yeah, I have no idea. No clue what happened there. Can you make a complaint with them? Yeah, you can. Yep. Yeah, shout out to all you guys that got activated there though. That was a beautiful position, right? That was a Nice 30-minute breakout at 9:30 you had there. You had volume on your side. You know, once that got activated, I think maybe a little bit of drawdown, and then that was it. You know, that high was respected right here. That was going to be the high. Looked good. Looked clean. Can you ask for a refund? Oh man, I don't know. I don't know about that. Joe said I deleted and then re-entered. That's a man move right there.
All right.
Yeah, I think it looks like everyone who got activated got slipped. Caught 12 pips. Nice.
Oh.
So we got a 1 hour closure coming up here as well. Let's get rid of all drawings again. Let's see where we're at here on the left hand side. You have a 1 hour support right here. Yeah, I think a 1 hour closure below 1904.455 will kind of push you down into like 1900 here. So we'll see what happens. How do I join the Discord group? You can click that link that Nightbot just threw out. Previous monthly low taken out. Oh, nice. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good for us. That's really, really good.
Damn.
Yeah, man. 1822. That's gonna be crazy. 1822, 1825. Sheesh. Oh, nice. 1% on this mess. Yeah, it was messy. Yeah, price should continue down here. Oh, 30 closed with no bottom wick there. And it closed. Wait, is this the new? Oh, okay. Yeah, we got a new 30-minute candle opening up here in just a few minutes. So 1 hour closure, 30-minute closure, all coming to an end here. That was messy, not messy. Oh, prices, my bad. Negative 400. Psst. Can you explain the reversal scenario? Which one? Which reversal? Like a buy? Which reversal? Yeah, 4 hour ripping. If price was to bounce off 1900, then it would just go up, right? You would see like bullish confirmations. Yeah, you may see that here, right? We got 1901 support right here, and then you may see a bounce off that. But if it just keeps bleeding, that wouldn't surprise me either. Yeah, I doubt it. Yeah, in terms of structure, what you would want to see would be like maybe some sort of a push down and then a close back above the range. And then looking left, you can kind of find an area here that you could potentially take your buys above, right? If you get a closure above there, then you could look to take your buys coming up. Buy, buy, buy. $30-minute onion play earlier, around 1910. Yeah, that was the move that we took. Yep. Yeah, that was the move. So this was the trading candle right there. All right, 1 hour did close below here. Yeah, let's see if we can get a top wick on this candle. 1 hour did close below. There's pretty clean traffic now. Moving on down, I believe there was a support. Yeah, it was supports right here. You got pretty clean traffic coming down now to about 1901. You also have some wicks in the way here, which we got to keep an eye on. Let's see what we got. 22 pip range. Let's see if we can come up, make a steeper top wick here, and then we may have sell stops on the break of the lows. Yeah, I want to see like
that wick is right at a support for me.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, in 1901, there's a support. No,
Yeah.
that wick. There's a support right there at 1901 on the 1 hour.
Yeah,
You see it?
1901.
Yeah.
Right here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to get the wick? Okay.
Yeah, but I do want to see a steeper top wick. I want to see a top wick coming up into like 1905, 500 here. Yeah, tapping back into this area here. Or jump into
I thought the
any-
body. Yeah, I thought the body closed a little more below.
You should add Messi as a commentator. Messi! Oh, you watch a playbook? Yeah, so mostly those trades that we're looking to take those positions on are going to be 30-minute, 1 hour positions. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to see a steeper top wick there. Please, your thoughts on ASNS? Anna Stewart, Nick Stewart? I'm not sure what that is. Oh yeah, nothing there, nothing. No, wanted to see that top. I wanted to see us break the highs there, but doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Price may start to slow up here as well. That was probably your push there on Monday. Really nice pushes. We have about a 20 pip range to continue on. Don't think it's really worth it at this point. It's at 13 pips now, so definitely not worth it. Yeah, I think that might be the day. That might be the day here. We had some of you guys took advantage at 9:30 move, which was great, but I think that was probably the move of the day here. So I will most likely stay out until the next probably 30-minute closure or till noon today, and then I may look for positions later on. Funded F loaded Instagram history talking about the issues. Oh, nice. What is it? Funded F? We'll take a look at it. Yeah, I'm sure my forex phones will drop something too. Let's see if they emailed yet. No. Yeah, that's gonna be the day here, chat. We may start to see a slow up here, and start to lose out on some volume now. So I'll rather wait for price to retrace a bit and then maybe catch some sells within the next 2 hours. If I take anything, I will send it in the signals channel, and I'll be at the desk for a little while here today. So I'll be keeping an eye on the markets here. So that'll be the day, gang. I hope you guys have a great day, and for those who took that trade, great job, WW trade. And for those that didn't, we come back tomorrow.
Peace,
Pips or stitches. All right, Johnny boy. Love you, buddy. See you later.
All right, catch you, boy. Love you too, bro. Peace, chat. Peace,
All
everyone.
right.
Zoom.
All right, chat. Hope y'all have a great day. See you guys mañana. Same place, same time, all right? Deuces. Peace, peace, peace.